We're going off-road, way back off the highway.
Yo, what's up? This is Average Cheapers here, and today we're gonna fix the dreaded headliner. As you can see, ours is starting to fall down and getting a little messed up and just looks ugly. So we went down to the local fabric store and got us some new fabric, some fleece, Starships or whatever, and we're gonna put it up on Jacob's Jeep Cephas on Project XJ. So let's get started.
Okay, so now we're gonna take this bolt right here, and there's like 4 right across this, and there's one right here, and there's 2 right over here, right here, right over here, and on the other side. Then we gotta take off the crap handle. Then you pop out this light right here, and you unplug it. All right, let's get started.
Okay, you take the T50 Torx bit and you just pull back the little rubber grommet here on your seat belts and just take them off. There's one. There's 2. Now we should start being able to pop off some more of these panels. Oh, there it is. Alright, we're just going to leave this one back because it goes way down in there in the dash and we only need it to get right here. Give me that Phillips head bit. To take your visors off, you gotta. There's 2 number 2 screws right here. Most of them are number 2s besides the oh shit handles. Is there 3? Yeah, there's 3. There's 3 of them. There's a hidden one down there. There's 4 over here. Alright, and ours has the vanity lights in it, so you just have a little plug right here. Give me my plug. There we go. Okay, now here we've got all the screws out. We've got all the support brackets, all the seat belts, and all the old shit handles and everything we need to take out. So now it's just basically just held up there to hold up there. I don't know what's holding it now, but it should come right down. So let's see what we got going on. Be careful because it's really soft.
want to go to
It
the
looks
two
like
doors
it's
and
kind
do
of
it?
stuck up here. Yeah. Here, kind of slide. Take your finger shake, and kind of just slide them down the right on the edges.
From here?
Yeah.
There we go.
There it goes. Oh, it's got a little sticky thing. Yeah, slide your hand right in there. Here, go to the other side. Here, go to the other side.
Alright, the only thing that's holding this up is the two, what's it called?
Alright, mine's down. Get wires free.
I think it's free.
Yeah.
We just gotta get it out.
We should be able to just pull it right on out now.
Is your Jeep in the way? Oh, no, we just go right on top of the camera.
So now we've got it out of the Jeep, and we've got to get all this crumbly stuff off of it real quick, and then we can get to spraying it. But we've got these little Bondo scrapers, plastic scrapers. Hopefully, yeah, it's going to scrape it up really nice, really quick, and then we can get to laying it out for you. Okay guys, now you can see that it's super clean. Got all that nasty crap off of it. Hands are sticky as crap now, but
oh yeah.
You can see it's clean. Now we're gonna spray it down with the Super 77 3M, and then we're gonna start laying it out. Okay, we've laid it out now, and we're gonna spray the Super 77 3M adhesive. We're gonna spray it on the fiberglass backing first, and then we'll spray it on the fabric and let it sit for a few minutes, tack up, and then we'll lay it out and smooth it all out. Let it all get tacky. So start pulling it out. over so it'll have a good seal and won't never come off again until we get tired of looking at spaceships and we want to look at something new. So let's get started. Okay, now we're going to wrap our visors, and the way to do that is there's a little seam here on the edge. You can either take a screwdriver or just kind of shove your fingers down in there and get it to pop out. But then it'll pop all the way around. now. This is day 2. We got a little late last night, but we finished it up, and now we're about to go put it in the Jeep. It's a little flimsy, but it'll go on it.
As you see.
Alright guys, so I think it turned out pretty good. They got it all installed. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass to get the plastic pieces back together. If this video helped you out at all, give this video the thumbs up. To see the whole series, go to the Project XJ playlist, and we'll see you next time.